Today we're exposing one of the most costly and dangerous mistakes drivers make without even realizing it, putting the wrong fuel into their car. This isn't just about price at the pump or what everyone else uses. Choosing the wrong fuel can silently damage your engine, reduce performance, and in extreme cases, lead to complete engine failure. In this video, I'm not just telling you what fuel to use. I'm breaking down why it matters and why so many drivers are misled by fuel myths, labels, and marketing. And this isn't limited to one type of vehicle. Whether you drive a luxury sedan, a family SUV, a pickup truck, a compact city car, a hybrid, a sports car, or a high-performance muscle car, if your vehicle runs on petrol, this applies to you. Engine damage doesn't care about brand names, price tags, or horsepower figures. The wrong fuel affects every petrol engine the same way, and many drivers don't realize the damage until it's already too late. By the end of this video, you'll understand how fuel choice directly impacts engine health, efficiency, and long-term survival, so you never make a mistake at the pump again. At the pump, too many choices, one wrong decision. The moment you pull into a fuel station, you're hit with a decision most drivers don't take seriously enough. Regular petrol, mid-grade, premium, super, each option promises something different, and each comes with a different price. Many people automatically choose the cheapest option, while others assume the most expensive fuel must be better for their engine. But that assumption is exactly where costly mistakes begin. So the real question isn't which fuel is cheaper or which sounds better, it's which fuel your engine is actually designed to run on. Choose the wrong one, and you could be wasting money, losing performance, or slowly damaging your engine without realizing it. Understanding this choice is critical, because at the pump, one wrong decision can follow you long after you drive away. This choice might seem simple, but for many drivers it's confusing and stressful, especially when prices keep changing. Nobody wants to accidentally put the wrong fuel in their car, a mistake that can damage the engine, reduce fuel efficiency, or make you waste money on fuel that gives you zero real benefit. Some people assume that using premium fuel will automatically make their car faster or more powerful, while others believe saving money with regular fuel is always the smarter move. In reality, both approaches can be wrong depending on the engine. Using a fuel that doesn't match your car's design can lead to engine knocking, rough acceleration, poor mileage, and long-term wear that you might not notice right away. Over time, these small issues can turn into expensive repairs. That's why understanding what each fuel option actually does and which one your engine truly needs is far more important than simply choosing the cheapest or most expensive option at the pump. What this video will clear up, no more myths. In this video, I'll show you exactly which petrol your car should use and the science behind it. Once you understand this, you'll never second-guess your choice at the pump again. Instead of relying on guesswork, advice from friends, or common myths, you'll know how your engine actually responds to different fuel types. We'll break down octane ratings, engine knock, and why some cars need premium while others run perfectly on regular petrol. You'll also learn how using the wrong fuel can slowly harm performance, fuel economy, and engine longevity without obvious warning signs. By the end, you'll be able to confidently choose the right fuel every time, protect your engine from unnecessary stress, and avoid wasting money on petrol your car doesn't need. Petrol, diesel, and the octane myth that confuses drivers. If you drive a diesel truck or car, never put petrol in it, the engine won't run properly and serious damage can occur. And the opposite is just as dangerous. Putting diesel into a petrol car can ruin the engine. That's a costly mistake you should never make. But here we're focusing on petrol because that's where most drivers get confused. At the pump, you'll see different petrol options like regular, mid-grade, and premium, shown by numbers such as 87, 89, 91, or 93. These numbers don't mean more power or better fuel. They only represent octane rating, which is the fuel's resistance to engine knock or detonation. A common myth is that higher octane fuel has more energy, gives better mileage, or increases power, but that's completely false. All petrol grades contain the same amount of energy, whether it's 87 or 93. They also burn at the same speed and temperature, and they don't burn cleaner or more completely just because the octane is higher. A clean and complete burn depends on the air-fuel mixture inside the engine, not the octane number. So when you see those numbers at the pump, remember this: 87 and 93 have identical energy. Only their resistance to knock is different, and choosing the wrong one won't help your engine. Why octane matters for engine survival. Octane is critical because it measures a fuel's resistance to detonation or engine knock. An engine knock can literally destroy an engine. In turbocharged, supercharged, or high-compression engines, like performance cars, the risk is much higher if you use a lower octane fuel than required. These engines operate with more heat and pressure, which makes the fuel more likely to ignite before it's supposed to, When that happens, you hear a metallic knocking sound, like marbles rattling inside the engine, and that's a serious warning sign. With the correct octane fuel, combustion starts at the spark plug and spreads smoothly, creating controlled pressure that pushes the piston down safely. But when the octane is too low, the rising pressure causes parts of the fuel mixture to ignite unevenly, turning smooth combustion into a violent explosion. This knock can damage pistons, piston rings, valves, head gaskets, and even the engine block. Higher octane fuel helps prevent this problem in forced induction in high compression engines. Modern fuel-injected cars use a knock sensor that listens for this abnormal combustion and adjusts engine timing to reduce damage. But you don't want knock happening at all. That's why your choice at the pump is so important. Higher octane means more resistance to knock, not more power. It also doesn't mean you should always buy the highest octane available, because that can easily become a waste of money. Many cars are engineered to run perfectly on regular petrol, while others truly require premium to stay safe and perform as intended. The key is simple. Use exactly the fuel your manufacturer recommends, not lower and not higher, so you protect your engine and your wallet. When you follow this guidance, the engine runs at the correct timing, temperature, and pressure it was designed for. Ignoring it can lead to reduced efficiency, long-term wear, or hidden damage that slowly builds up over time. Choosing the right fuel isn't about chasing performance myths or spending more at the pump. It's about matching the fuel to your engine's design so it stays reliable, efficient, and healthy for years to come. Octane numbers around the world in the additive. Truth. Another big myth is that fuel in some countries is better just because the octane numbers look higher. People often compare American petrol, like 87, 89, or 93, to European pumps that show 95 or 99 and assume overseas fuel must be superior. In reality, this is just a different rating system, not better fuel. Europe uses the RON research octane number system, while the US uses pump octane number. When you compare them properly, Europe's 95 octane is roughly the same as mid-grade petrol, and 98 or 99 is comparable to premium. So the fuel itself is very similar, the numbers just look different. Now that you understand octane, there's one more important factor: fuel additives. Fuel additives. Every fuel brand is required by the government to include additives that help keep your engine clean, regardless of whether it's regular or premium fuel. Why fuel additives matter? Each fuel brand uses its own proprietary additive package, and they all handle it a little differently. Some brands add the same amount of additive across all their fuel grades, while others increase the additive level in premium fuels. For example, some premium fuels contain significantly more additive than the minimum required by law. So what do these additives actually do? They help clean carbon deposits, often called gunk or sludge. Without proper additives, an engine can slowly become less efficient over time. Carbon can build up on fuel injectors, pistons, piston rings, and valves, which can negatively affect performance and efficiency. Rather than just talking about it, let's look at real examples to make this clear. First, consider engine valves from a port-injected four-cylinder engine. A completely clean valve gives you a reference point of how things should look. Next to it is a valve with a normal amount of carbon buildup, which is exactly what you'd expect to see in a typical daily driven vehicle. There are small carbon deposits where the valve seats against the head, some on the valve stem, and a bit underneath the valve as well. Nothing excessive, just a realistic example of normal engine use. How carbon buildup hurts performance. Here's another example of a valve with noticeable carbon deposits. This level of buildup isn't even that severe premium fuel when you must change fuel to protect your engine. In some cases, switching to a higher octane fuel doesn't just stop detonation. It also helps clean the engine, especially in port-injected setups where a large percentage of carbon can be removed from the valves. Once the buildup is reduced, the engine can often return to running regular fuel smoothly without knock. Another situation where fuel choice changes is modifications. A stock car may run perfectly on regular petrol, but the moment you add upgrades like a supercharger or get the engine tuned, fuel requirements can change. In those cases, you must follow your tuner's advice, because using a lower octane than specified can quickly lead to detonation and serious engine damage. This kind of situation happens more often than people like to admit, and it doesn't automatically mean your engine is ruined. Modern engines are equipped with knock sensors that can detect abnormal combustion and adjust ignition timing to reduce the risk of damage. However, that safety system is not meant to be relied on for long periods, especially in engines that are designed specifically for premium fuel. Running regular for too long can still lead to higher exhaust temperatures, reduced performance, and increased stress on internal components. An octane booster helps bridge that gap by increasing the fuel's resistance to knock, giving the engine a safer environment to operate in until you can correct the mistake. It's especially useful if you're far from a station that sells premium or if the error wasn't noticed until after driving away. While using a booster, keep RPMs low, avoid towing or aggressive driving, and think of it strictly as a short-term solution. As soon as possible, refill with the correct octane to restore normal operation and long-term engine protection. Final warnings that can save your engine. But that doesn't mean you can ignore fuel rules. One last fuel that often confuses drivers is E85. E85 does not mean 85 octane. It means 85% ethanol, and it should only be used in flex fuel vehicles. If your car isn't designed for it, running E85 can seriously damage the engine, fuel system, and seals. Always confirm flex fuel compatibility in your owner's manual before even considering it. This quick check can save you from a very expensive mistake. To wrap everything up, the rule is simple and universal. Use exactly what your manufacturer recommends. If it says regular, use regular. If it says mid-grade, use mid-grade. If premium is required, premium is non-negotiable. If premium is recommended, you have a choice. But premium will usually deliver smoother performance, slightly better fuel economy, and extra protection against detonation. Follow this rule, and you'll protect your engine, your wallet, and your peace of mind, because choosing the wrong fuel really can kill your engine. We've broken down the biggest fuel myths, cleared the confusion, and laid out the real facts so you now know exactly which fuel your car should use and why it matters. The goal of this video was simple: to help you avoid costly mistakes, protect your engine, and stop wasting money or risking damage just by choosing the wrong option at the pump. Hopefully, this explanation made fuel choices easier and gave you confidence the next time you fill up. If you found this helpful, make sure to show your support by giving the video a thumbs up. It really helps get accurate information like this to more drivers who might still be confused. And if you're not subscribed yet, consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos where we break down car maintenance, common mistakes, and practical tips that actually save you money and extend your engine's life. Everything used or mentioned in this video is linked in the description for easy reference. And remember, fuel choice isn't about guessing or following trends. It's about understanding how your engine works. When you use the correct fuel, your car runs smoother, lasts longer, and performs the way it was designed to. A small decision at the gas pump can make a huge difference over time. So always stay informed, follow the manufacturer's guidance, and drive smart.